Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Porsche 911 vs Subaru WRX STI. Follow along as we examine acceleration figures, braking feel, chassis balance, daily comfort, and long-term ownership costs to help you choose the right sports car for your needs. I will highlight real-world driving impressions, typical maintenance considerations, and which model suits spirited road use or budget-minded performance ownership. We begin with raw performance numbers, launch behavior, and how each car communicates with the driver in turns and straights. I describe throttle mapping, transmission feel, braking modulation, and how chassis balance changes your confidence on twisty roads. Expect clear comparisons of power delivery, weight bias, and usable grip so you can imagine everyday driving, spirited canyon runs, or occasional track days without getting lost in vague claims. If you are enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep simple, keep your trunk tidy, and stop sauces from ruining your gear, which is great for long driving days or track weekends. I link them in the description along with other deals, so check that out now. Then let's get back to the video. Next, we cover comfort, daily usability, and ownership realities like maintenance frequency, parts cost, and insurance differences. I compare cabin ergonomics, visibility, ride quality, and practicality for short trips or longer drives. You will hear about typical service intervals, potential expenses, and what to expect when modifying either car. This segment helps you weigh lifestyle fit against pure performance when deciding between these two distinct driving experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.